Breaking news, Friedrich Nietzsche has died at age 51. The disease that killed him is tuberculosis, an infectional bacterial disease that attacks the lungs. Friedrich came from a very wealthy family. His family was part of the intellectual elite in Basel, Switzerland. Growing up, Friedrich wanted to be a priest at the local churches. His father denied the idea, though, this sending him to medical school. Friedrich went to the University of Tübingen. From there, he graduated in 1868. From this, he decided to go and pursue a career in medical research. Being handicapped, though, by his hearing, it was kind of hard to find the right laboratory to go to, but this didn't stop him. From here, he went to the Happe-Seyler's laboratory in Germany, where German scientists and European scientists were debating the existence of cells. The scientists put Friedrich to work on lipinoid cells, or white blood cells. Friedrich used bandages from the local clinics. The clinics used bandages had pus on them, and you'd remove the pus and observe the bandage themselves under a microscope. Around the age 25, he made the discovery of DNA. At the time, though, he didn't know that it was DNA. He called it nuclein, and it was a molecule isolated inside the nucleus of the cell. The nuclein that he had discovered was made up of hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. He also noticed the unique ratio of phosphorus to nitrogen. Although his discovery didn't involve the linking of DNA or observe the linking of DNA, it did spark later on researching and linkings and links of DNA. His discovery was a pretty big one, but scientists wanted to be sure that it was true, this stalling the publishing of his research. He did most of his research in 1869, but it wasn't published until 1871. Because of his research, he was appointed professor of physiology at the University of Basel in 1872. Being from his background of medical research, the position was perfect for him. The position was also held by his father and his uncle before him. He worked there until 1895, until today, and now he is dead. Now back to you, Mr. Franklin.